Hello again. Okay, I know you've already watched 2 other videos, so I'm gonna try and make this quick. Your job today is to find 2 things in your house that you can make a simile for. So I found one of my new pink teddy bears that's gonna be for the baby. And I could say, my bear is like strawberry ice cream. Or I could even say, my bear is pink like strawberry ice cream. So there I'm using the word like. And then I've got this one. You see it? It's really shiny, even though I don't know if you could see it so well. But my rock, it's just a rock. My rock is as purple as flowers. Okay, so I found 2 things and I practiced my similes, and now I need to write them. So making sure you have your paper, and today's date is May 12th, 2020. So I wrote 5-12-20. I've already got my name. And I'm gonna start with my teddy bear. So my teddy bear, what did I say again? My teddy bear is pink like strawberry ice cream. Can I tell you, I miss having you guys here and helping me remember things. Okay, so I gotta start with my capital letter. M-Y, my spaceman, teddy, Ed-E, my teddy bear, B-air, my teddy bear is, you know how to spell is, pink. Like, remember, anytime we use a simile, we either use the word like or as. And those are both sight words. You should know how to spell both of them. If you forget, it's in our directions for today. My teddy bear is pink like strawberry, strawberry. My teddy bear is pink like strawberry ice cream. Ice. Ooh, remember, if it says I, that means it has a magic E at the end. Ice cream. Cream. What do I need at the end? Period. My teddy bear is pink like strawberry ice cream. And then I'm gonna make one more. Since this is not one story, I'm gonna start a new line. So remember, my other one was my rock. My rock is as purple as a flower. Here we go. Just like my sight word, rock. Rock. I'm gonna go with like in Carol. My rock is as. Remember, that's like or as we have to use in a simile. My rock is as purple. If you forget how to spell a color, where can you look? I know we don't have it in your house, but look on your crayons. On your crayons, it will say the name of the color and you can write it. So I'm gonna write purple. My rock is as purple as a flower. Help me sound it out. Flower. Period. Okay, my friends, so I want to see 2 new sentences today. Are you gonna have a pink teddy bear like strawberry ice cream? Or a purple rock like a flower? I want 2 things from your house that are special to you. Bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow.